Before we start building and programming the robot, we need to understand the basics of robotics. So let's do that first. What is robotics? Robotics is a technical field where you learn all sorts of things about the robots. You design, build, and program the robots. It involves engineering, technology, science, mathematics, and software programming. The main objective of the robotics field is to create robots, which are intelligent machines that can make our lives easier. What is a robot? A robot is a machine that can be programmed to do certain functions. Once programmed, it can perform a series of certain functions or actions automatically. It can perform certain functions over and over again, much more precisely than most humans can. What do robots look like? Some people think that robots look like humans, but that is not true at all. Most robots do not look like humans. They come in different shapes and sizes. Some are mobile. They move around to do certain functions. And some are stationary. They just stay in one place and do the task over and over again. Why do we need robots, and what do they do for us? Robots can make our lives easier. They can do certain tasks that are difficult for most humans to do. They can do certain tasks repetitively without getting tired, like the kind of tasks that may be boring for most people. They can do tasks that are dangerous for people. Robots can perform tasks practically 24/7. They can do most tasks much more precisely and, in most cases, faster than humans can. They can do the heavy lifting and can usually operate in a pretty tough environmental situation. There are many industries that use robots. Auto manufacturing. Most auto manufacturing companies use industrial robots on their assembly lines to build vehicles. Logistics. Shipping and delivering companies like Amazon use robots in their warehouses to retrieve and even package items that customers order. Military. Military uses robots for secret missions as well as in war zones, like drones. Space. Astronauts use robotic arms on various space missions, like to install new components or even repair components on the International Space Station. Restaurants. Some restaurants are starting to use robots in their kitchen to cook burgers and pizza. Medical. Doctors use very sophisticated and intelligent robots to perform various medical procedures. Rescue missions. Robots are used in rescue missions to save lives during natural disasters. For example, small tiny robots equipped with video cameras and high-fidelity microphones can go under rubble and detect even a very faint human voice and alert the authorities so they can recover and save people. You may have even seen robots in your homes, such as a Roomba vacuum cleaner that goes around and cleans your house. And there are many more uses of robots. So now that you know some basics of robots, you may ask, why should I learn about robotics? Well, there are a lot of great reasons for you to learn about the field of robotics. Robotics is fun. It's very engaging, rewarding, and educational. Building a robot can be a great family activity. Learning about robotics builds your self-confidence and will help to improve your problem-solving and critical thinking skills. You see instant results. When you build something and see it work, you'll feel really good about it and will want to do more of it. Robots are here, and the use of robots will continue to grow. They will practically be involved in all aspects of human life, so it's beneficial to learn more about them. Robots are the future, and robotics is a great career option. There are so many opportunities in the robotics field, and it's only going to grow for the next several decades. So let's do a quick review. We learned about the basic concepts of robotics. We discussed that you will build and program a robot incrementally and learn about the code that makes the robot do different things. We also talked about what is robotics? What is a robot? What do the robots look like? Why do we need robots? And what do they do for us? And why should you learn about robotics? In the next lesson, we are going to learn about the specific parts you need to build a basic functioning robot.